Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see what is MySQL in operator and what is MySQL not in operator. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. The in operator allow you to specify multiple values in where clause. So the in operator is just a replica of or condition. So suppose you want to filter record where age is 31 or age is 35. So what will be your query? Your query will be where age equals to 31 or age equals to 35. This will be your query. Select star from LFC where age is 31 or age is 35 and you will get the output. So what if you don't want to use or condition? Then you can use MySQL in operator. So MySQL in operator is used to specify multiple values in where clause. So this operator we will understand with the help of one example. Suppose you can put where age in is the keyword which is used, and inside that you can put multiple values. So this will be our condition. Select star from LFC where age you can put any column name, and in is the keyword which is used in operator, and these are the multiple values 30, 30, 31 and 35. So this in this way it is a replica of or condition, and you don't have to use or condition, and you can use in operator instead of or condition. So when you go with this query, you can see the output. So this will give the same output as or condition give. You can put more values also if you want. You can put 38, 40, and when you go with this query, here you can find the output. But when you use or condition, you have to put age is equals to 31 or age is equals to 35 or age equals to 38 or age equals to 40. So it will make your query a lengthy query. So in operator, with the help of in operator, you can specify multiple values in where clause. So in this way MySQL in operator work. So you can also apply the in operator in the city column. So select star from LFC where city in Mumbai or Delhi. So these are the two values which we have specified, Mumbai or Delhi. So it will filter out the record where city is Mumbai or city is Delhi. So when you go with this query, you can see the output. It will filter only records where age is Mumbai or Delhi. So in this way MySQL in operator work. Now we will see how MySQL not in operator work. As in operator filter the records which based on the condition, based on the multiple values. Not in operator is just a vice versa of in operator. So suppose when you put age is 31 or 35, so you get the output of first and third record. But when you put age not in 31 or 35, so it will skip both the values and filter the values where age is not 31 and not 35. So your output will be 20, second record, fourth record, fifth record, sixth record, seventh record or eighth record. So this we can understand with the help of one example. So this will be our query. Select star from LFC where age not in 31 and 35. So when we put age in 31 or 35, you will get only two records. But when you put age not in 31, 35, then it will skip these two records and filter the other records from the table. So you can see 31 and 35 will be not there in this age column. So not in operator is just a vice versa of in operator. In operator it is allow you to specify multiple values and it will filter based on that multiple values. But in not in operator it will skip those value and try to filter which is not present. So 26 is not present, 38 is not present, 44, 38, 42 is not present. So it will skip those values. In this way you can apply not in operator in income also, where income not in 400, 50 and 150. So it will skip second record, third record and sixth record. So when you go with this query, you can see over here. So there is one more thing that I forgot to tell you, that it will skip the null values also. In this video, this is basic regarding the in operator, not in operator, how what is the functioning of not in operator, in operator, and how it is different from or operator, and why to use in operator in MySQL. You can try this in operator and not in operator in your localhost phpMyAdmin and try to do some functioning so that you will understand how this operator work in MySQL. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.